Hello everyone, welcome back to this week's vlog on Ahtina's home organizing. So this is just a continuation of last week's vlog. Remember I told you part 2 is coming up. So right now I'm just showing you a flashback so that you people can get an idea about exactly what I'm talking about, and we can start from this point from where we stopped. Okay, then comes these canisters. I'm not going to keep on saying these stuffs. Obviously it's well understood. But trust me, these are airtight containers which actually keeps these nuts fresher for a longer time. But there is no option called longer time because everything goes into my tummy, especially this one. Oh, cashews are my favorite, so it doesn't last long in my pantry. Then in my existing glass jar, I just wanted to refill it with some chocolate cookies. So just arranging that. So yummy guys, so yummy, trust me. So I told about this glass jar which I bought in my last vlog. And see, I labeled it with the white marker, and this is how I arranged my beautiful glass canisters. It looks so beautiful in my pantry. Just arranging the bed with this new pink bed sheet, my favorite color. So using the dressing table while I'm sitting, I never had a back support, and the stool is going to break down also. So I thought of replacing it with this chair which I bought. It's a very cheap one which I bought from IKEA. Okay, to make it look a little more fancy, I'm just covering it up with this fur, and here we go. That's it. Okay, all this time I was using my son's baby blanket. You know, we all love to be comfy in sofa, but I replaced it with this very soft blanket which I bought from IKEA, and that's that. Last but not the least, I promised you guys that I will show you how to make popcorn by using this popcorn maker. So there is a measuring cup. Okay, on this side you have to put the popcorn seed, and make sure you are supposed to fill only this much popcorn seed. And after that, just toss it back to the popcorn maker and just cover it up and enjoy fresh homemade popcorns. So that's it guys for today's vlog. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you next vlog. Until then, take care and be happy.